Your deleted iPhone files may still be there. Do this to completely remove them. First, permanently delete files on iPhone. For this, open the Files app on your device. In the bottom right corner, tap on Browse. Here, look for the Downloads folder and open it. Then tap on the three dots icon in the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Select. Choose the files you want to delete. After that, tap on the Trash icon from the bottom menu. These files are not permanently deleted yet. Go back to the Browse screen once again. Here, open the Recently Deleted folder. You'll see the files we just deleted moved here. In the top right corner, tap on the three dots icon. Then tap on Select from the menu. Look below and tap on Delete All. Confirm your action by tapping Delete from the pop-up menu as well. This will completely delete all the files. Second, permanently delete photos on iPhone. For this, open the Photos app on your phone. In the bottom, tap on the Collections tab. Scroll down to the Utilities section. There will be a Recently Deleted option here as well. Open it. Your iPhone may ask for Face ID. This reveals all the photos that you deleted recently. In the top right corner, tap on Select. Then tap on the three dots icon. Select Delete All from the menu. From the warning message, tap on Delete from this iPhone. Your deleted photos are now permanently removed. Third, permanently delete messages on iPhone. For this, open the Messages app on your mobile device. In the top right corner, tap on the three-line icon. And then open Recently Deleted. Look at the bottom right corner and tap on the Trash icon. Then select Delete Messages from the warning pop-up. Your deleted messages are permanently erased and storage space is cleared. And that's it.